Hello all. Today we'll be looking at how to post photos on Instagram from your computer. Yes, you heard it right, from your computer. First of all, what I'm going to do is just open my browser, and I already opened the Instagram web page. That will be instagram.com, and I'm going to type my username and password. That will be TARACTA PC, and password I can tell you. And here we are. This is my page on Instagram. The prime reason why you cannot post photos from the web page of Instagram on PC is because there is no post button. Here you cannot see any post button. In our mobile phones we can see a plus or post button, and we can use that to post new photos, new videos, but here there is no post button. So for that, what I'm going to do here is a simple trick, just a simple one. Simply press the F12 button on your keyboard, F12 button, and a new window pops up in the right, and there is a small mobile like icon, and just click on that, and voila, what we see right now is the mobile website of Instagram. And what you have to do now is simply select a device, and from this list you can see various devices from mobile phones to laptops to tablet PCs. So here I'm going to select iPhone 6s. Please make sure that you select a mobile phone. Only then you will get a screen as the same as you see on a mobile. So I'm going to select iPhone 6s and just click on the iPhone 6s option. The window that you see right now is the same window you see on a mobile phone, and you have the post button also. And here is the post button. Just simply click on that. Browse window opens up, and just simply locate the file or locate the photo you want to upload. Hit the open button. Open, and the same page pops up, the same page you see on the mobile. And here you can resize, you can rotate, resize your photos just the same as you do in your mobile phones. And all you have to do is click on the next button and type in a caption. Here I'm going to type, hey there. Hey there. The same procedure, the same thing you do on a mobile phone. And click on the share button. And here is our post on Instagram, posted from my account. Hey there, the post. So that's it folks. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you, take care, and keep on learning.